what my dog found. And luckily Lucky didn't hurt him. This was here on the road. And I will save this girl or boy. Look at these beautiful colors. And it was going towards that way. Towards that way. So I will just bring her a little bit closer to his or her destination, right? Perhaps, I don't know. Here. Go. Where is she? There. Go, girl. Or boy. A little bit up. Perhaps a little bit up. Oh, very sharp claws. There she goes. Or he. No, wait a minute. Okay, go. There you go. At least now it's safe for cars. Okay, Chicho, Lucky. Let's continue the hike. Lucky. I know where the other one is. Oh, over there. Bye.